It has been a very enlightening experience, and I really enjoyed it, especially with meet other people that wanted to learn as much as me. So I would like to thank WABMA for that experience.
Are you ready to level up your media and communications career? The West Africa Broadcast and Media Academy, WABMA, is here to equip you with practical, industry-driven skills that open doors.
Some of you may know that the BBC does a lot of training, a lot. But I must tell you that this is the first time I have attended this type of training, and it has left a lasting impression with me.
Whether you're a beginner or a media professional seeking to upgrade, WABMA's certificate courses are designed to transform your potential into real-world performance.
For anybody who really wants to get into presentation, wants to get into TV, radio station, see what I did there with the TV. That is exactly what WABMA does to you. You learn how to pronounce words correctly. You know how to present yourself and to be a true presenter. So yes, what are you waiting for? Do hurry up and come to WABMA.
Courses begin April 22nd, delivered by expert instructors and supported with real industry exposure. Join a growing network of media professionals trained by WABMA. Your future in media starts now. Register today. Limited slots available.